Hello students, I am Prashant Nikam. In this video, we are going to learn second property of rational number, which is commutative property. So let's check commutative property for addition. When we add two rational numbers, say a upon b and c upon d in any order, their sum remains the same. This property is called commutative property. Let's try to understand this property with the help of one example. Suppose you have to add 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 5. But by mistakenly, if you add this 3 upon 5 with 1 upon 2, what will happen? Their sum will be same or different. Let's check. The sum of these two is 5 2s are 10 as a denominator, 5 1s are 5 plus 6 is 11 upon 10. And what is the sum of these two? 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6 plus 5 is 11. Means the sum remains the same. Even though if we change their places, the sum remains the same. Its meaning is that 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 5 is equal to 3 upon 5 plus 1 upon 2. So in general form, we can write it as a upon b plus c upon d is exactly equal to c upon d plus a upon b. Try to understand the application of this property. Its meaning is at the time of addition, we can change the place of rational number or we can change their order as per our convenience. This is called commutative property. So we have to remember this sentence: the addition of rational numbers is commutative, or in other words, we can say that rational numbers are commutative under addition. Now let's check this property for subtraction. Commutative property for subtraction. When we subtract two rational numbers, say a upon b and c upon d in any order, their difference does not remain the same. Let's check with the help of one example. Let's take any two rational numbers. Take 2 upon 5 and 5 upon 3. Find the difference. What is the difference of these two? Minus 19 upon 15. What will happen if we change their place? 5 upon 3 minus 2 upon 5. What will be the difference of these two numbers? It will be 19 upon 15. See here, this is minus 19 upon 15 and this is positive 19 upon 15. Means we can take observation like this: 2 upon 5 minus 5 upon 3 is not equal to 5 upon 3 minus 2 upon 5. Or in general words, we can write like this: a upon b minus c upon d is not equal to c upon d minus a upon b. So we can understand that at the time of subtraction, we cannot change the place or we cannot change their order. So we have to remember this sentence: the subtraction of rational numbers is not commutative, or rational numbers are not commutative under subtraction. Means rational numbers are commutative under addition, but they are not commutative under subtraction. Let's check the property, same property for multiplication. Commutative property for multiplication. When we multiply two rational numbers, say a upon b and c upon d in any order, their product remains the same. Let's check with the help of one example. 7 upon 11 multiplied by 5 upon 7. The product of these two will be, this 7 will get cancelled and we will get 5 upon 11 as a product. What will happen if we change the place or if we change their order? 5 upon 7 multiplied by 7 upon 11. Again this 7 will get cancelled and we will get the same product. Its meaning is that 7 upon 11 multiplied by 5 upon 7 is exactly equal to 5 upon 7 multiplied by 7 upon 11. Or in general form, we can write like this: a upon b multiplied by c upon d is equal to c upon d multiplied by a upon b. Hence, the multiplication of rational numbers is commutative. Or in other words, we can say that rational numbers are commutative under multiplication. Now let's check for division. Commutative property for division. When we divide two rational numbers, say a upon b and c upon d, in any order, their quotient does not remains the same. Let's check with the help of one example. If we divide 19 upon 15 by 2 upon 3, you know how to divide the rational number. You have to multiply this number with the, you have to multiply dividend by the reciprocal of divisor. So you will get 9 upon 10 as a quotient. And if you change their order, or if you change their place, and if you divide 2 upon 3 by 9 upon 15, you will get the quotient as 10 upon 9. Means 9 upon 15 divided by 2 upon 3 is not equal to 2 upon 3 divided by 9 upon 15. So in short, or in general form, we can write like this: a upon b divided by c upon d is not equal to c upon d divided by a upon b. Means at the time of division, we cannot change their places. The division of rational numbers is not commutative, our observation. Or we can say that rational numbers are not commutative under division. In short, please remember that at the time of addition and multiplication, we can change their order. But at the time of subtraction and division, we cannot change the order or the place of rational numbers. Thank you, students.